to carry our babies. I still use it, and I still see people, young people using it. So it's a very useful device. The sling. And if you look at the pictures, you see I'm carrying my son. So, and I carry all over the place, even to town and other places. And people look at me and I tell them it's a Hmong sling. With this embroidered cloth, my forebears carried all that was precious across the contested landscape of China, crossing the river, the Yellow River, fleeing south. With these long sashes, my ancestors wrapped precious seeds tight against their backs, crossing the Red River into Vietnam, then Laos. With this hlanya, my great-grandparents enfolded and protected their children from tigers and spirits, crossing the Dragon River, blazing new fields. With this baby sling, my parents shielded my siblings and me, seeking shelter across a land at war, crossing the Mekong River for Thailand, then beyond. Now, with this heirloom, I carry my daughters and sons up the volcanic slopes of Hawaii, across the rugged rocks of the Central Coast, among the Sierra Nevada foothills, crossing and recrossing the San Joaquin River and the Kings River. In this land, between these two rivers, in this Fresno, I carry on. This will be the last poem.